Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 proven methods that will help you learn more effectively and retain information longer. Whether you're studying for exams, learning a new skill, or just looking to boost your productivity, these techniques will take your learning to the next level. So grab your notebook and let's dive in. Method number 1, active recall. Now you might be wondering, what's active recall? Well, it's one of the most powerful learning techniques out there. Instead of passively rereading your notes or textbooks, you force yourself to actively recall the information from memory. For example, after reading a section, put the book down and try to write down everything you remember, or quiz yourself on key concepts. The reason this works so well is that it strengthens the connections in your brain and forces you to retrieve information from long-term memory. Studies show that people who use active recall perform better on tests compared to those who simply read their notes over and over. The more you practice recalling information, the better your brain gets at remembering it. So try this next time you study and see how much it helps. Next up is spaced repetition. If you've ever tried cramming the night before a test, you've probably noticed that the information doesn't stick. Spaced repetition solves this problem by helping you review material at increasing intervals over time. Instead of reviewing everything at once, you spread out your study sessions. For example, after learning a concept, review it after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week, and so on. The idea is that spacing out your reviews helps your brain transfer information from short-term memory to long-term memory. This technique is especially helpful when you need to memorize facts, vocabulary, or complex concepts. You can use apps like Anki or Quizlet to create flashcards and automate your spaced repetition schedule. Trust me, once you incorporate spaced repetition into your routine, you'll see a big difference in how much information you can retain. Now let's talk about the Pomodoro technique, one of my personal favorites when it comes to staying focused. The Pomodoro technique is simple. You break your study time into short, focused intervals, typically 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Why does this work so well? It's because it helps you stay fully focused during each session while also preventing burnout. The short intervals keep your mind sharp, and the breaks give your brain the rest it needs to recharge. It also helps with motivation, because you know you have a break coming up soon. I recommend using a timer or a Pomodoro app to keep track. It's a game changer for those long study sessions. Method number 4, teach what you've learned. This might sound a bit strange, but teaching someone else is actually one of the best ways to solidify your understanding. When you teach, you're forced to explain the material in a way that makes sense to others, and that forces you to really understand it yourself. Try this. After you've learned something new, explain it to a friend, family member, or even just talk it out loud to yourself. If you can explain the concept clearly and without hesitation, then you know you've truly mastered it. Plus, teaching highlights any gaps in your understanding, so you can go back and fill those gaps. Teaching others not only reinforces your knowledge, but it also boosts your confidence in the subject. Last but not least, we have mind mapping. This is a visual technique that helps you organize and connect ideas. Instead of just reading through a list of bullet points or notes, create a mind map to map out key concepts and see how they relate to each other. Start by writing the main idea or topic in the center of a page, and then draw branches for each subtopic or related idea. As you add more details, you'll start to see connections that you may have missed before. Mind mapping is great for complex subjects, and it's a fantastic way to visually organize your thoughts and notes. Plus, the act of drawing the map helps reinforce the information in your memory. I personally use mind maps all the time when I'm preparing for exams or organizing my thoughts for a project. So, those are 5 proven methods to help you learn more effectively. Active recall, spaced repetition, the Pomodoro technique, teaching others, and mind mapping. Incorporate these techniques into your study routine, and you'll see huge improvements in how much you learn and how long you retain the information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy studying and keep learning.